This is how we clean our washing machines. Start on the top, then we do the soap lid. Do the lid real well, so there's no buildup. And then you gotta hit the coin drop where germs are. Anything people touch, the buttons, there's sickness going around. You wanna make sure that everything is sanitized. And the door handle, sanitized with the solution, which is either Pine Sol or Phenolin, and hit the rim of the door, inside of the door, top and bottom, and then the black part here that likes to show dust. Then we use a microfiber, just get any streaks off, stainless steel streaks. If you do your washers like that, you'll stay busier than a cat covering poop on a tin roof. And make sure there's nothing in the drum, no hair on the paddles, rim is clean, glass is clean, and on to the next one. Then get rid of your rag. Use one rag per machine, that way you're not moving, transferring dirt over. And once you get rolling, it'll take you about 30 seconds per washer. Then once a week, take one of these dusters, go down in between, and go in between them. And if you don't have a duster, use a broom handle with a t-shirt or a towel on it. It works great too.